A very warm welcome to my dear students. Welcome back after the summer break. I hope you enjoyed with your family. Let us listen to this beautiful song before we begin today's class.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to school. You've made it through the summer, now there is work to do. So put a smile on your face and sing out with me. We're gonna have a good year, just wait and see. We're gonna have a good year, it's true. We're gonna have a good year, me and you. So put a smile on your face and sing out with me. We're gonna have a good year, just wait and see.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. And yes, my dear students, we are gonna have a good year. With this thought, let us begin today's class. Today we will start a new chapter, our food. So when I ask you what all comes in your mind when I take the word food, so you may be thinking about different kinds of food that you eat, or your favorite dishes, or you may be thinking that what you ate in the morning or what you will be eating in the night. So these different kinds of food comes in your mind when I take the word food. Now if I ask one question, why do we need food? So here three main points are there. First point is food helps us to grow strong and healthy. So if you're not having your food, you will not grow strong. And the second point is food gives us energy to work and play. So for work and play, you need food. If you're not having your food, you will not be able to run, jump, skip, dance. So food is very, very important to give you energy. Third point is food also helps us to fight diseases. Yes, my dear students, if you're not having proper food, you will not be able to fight diseases. Your body becomes so weak. So that's why you need to have proper food so that it helps you to fight diseases. Now we have different types of food that we eat. First one is fruits, second one is vegetables, and third one is milk products. Let us take some examples with the help of pictures. Fruits. We eat different types of fruits. For example, we eat mango. So here you can see different kinds of mango tree. Second one is apple. You can see green apples here. Here are red apples. Third one is banana. So here two pictures as you can see showing banana tree, and the leaves of banana tree are a little broad. Then pineapple. Here you can see different kinds of different pineapples in a farm. I hope so many of you like eating pineapple. Fifth one is orange. So here you can see an orange tree. Now next one is vegetables. There are so many different types of vegetables that we eat. Let us take some examples. First one is potato. Here you can see a potato plant. I'm sure you know that potato grows under the soil. Second is onion. Here is an onion plant. Third is radish. It also grows under the soil. Fourth one is carrot. I'm sure many of you like to eat carrot, and carrot is very good for your eyes. Here you can see carrot plant under the soil. Fifth one is cauliflower. Here you can see a cauliflower farm. Sixth is turnip. Seventh one, spinach. Spinach is very good for our body. So you should have spinach frequently. And the third type of food that we eat is milk products. Milk products are very important for us. Let us take some examples of milk products. Now, what are milk products? First of all, you should know this. Milk products are those kind of items that we get from the milk. For example, paneer. So paneer is made from milk. Curd. Curd is also made from milk. And third one, butter. So these three are examples of milk products. Now, apart from these three kinds of food, we also eat dal. So today you can go to your kitchen and ask your mommy to show your different kinds of dal that you have in your home. There are so many different kinds of dal available, and they are of different colors. So you can ask your mommy to show it to you. Second one is rice. Third one, chapati. So we have dal, rice and chapati. Now, as you all know, we eat most of the food only after cooking them properly. But there are some food items which we can eat without cooking. Now, do you know what is the name of these kind of food which we eat without cooking? They are called raw food. What is the spelling of raw food? RAWFOOD, raw food. And here are two examples of raw food. So we have cucumber and carrot. You should also know this. We have 3 meals in a day. So we always have 3 meals in a day at least. For example, when you get up in the morning, you have your breakfast. That is your first meal. Then in the afternoon, you have your lunch. And during the night, you have dinner. So these are the 3 meals we all have in a day. And we should never skip any of these meals. Now suppose you are having your holiday. Many of you might be getting up late in the morning and you must be skipping your breakfast. But that is very bad, because you should never skip any meal. As we have just seen the importance of food, it helps our body to remain healthy, strong, and it also gives you energy to do work. So never skip any meal in a day. And remember, we have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner in the night. So now let us summarize what we just learned. We learn about the importance of food. So I will be uploading a worksheet dated 7 July, and there I have given you one question to write the importance of food. So if you have watched the video carefully, you will be able to complete that. question. Then also we saw different types of fruits and vegetables that we eat with the help of different pictures. Then there are some food made from milk and they are known as milk products. For example, paneer, butter and curd. We eat most items after cooking, but there are some food items which we eat without cooking and they are known as raw food. Very good. For example, cucumber and carrot. Apart from these two examples, there are many other food that you can have without cooking them. So these are known as raw food. And lastly, what we learned, we have 3 meals in a day and they are breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner in the night. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Now, as I've already mentioned, I will be uploading a worksheet dated 7th July. Kindly watch this video carefully and complete the worksheet in your notebook. So we'll meet next time with a new topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay happy.